Listen up, because this part is so important. Research isn't made up of articles and books hanging out in space with no relationship to each other or context. Every piece of research you read is based on previous research. Whole disciplines of study are constituted by this building up of research. No article stands alone. You should recognize you're entering an ongoing conversation. A particular article or book will always reflect back on research that has already happened. This is the conversation looking back in time. Looking at it a different way, you can find which works have cited that particular article or book you are reading. The article is just one point in that conversation. That one article is a point in a conversation that goes backwards and forwards in time. It's an ongoing conversation. To discover the conversation going backwards in time, be sure to note any useful citations named in your article. Especially be on the lookout for researcher names that come up a lot. Then use the references at the end of the article to track down your source using Google Scholar or the library's Journal Finder. If you aren't totally sure how to track down an article, it's a good bet to start looking for the journal title before looking for the journal article title. The same is true for books. It's a better bet to start with a book title than a chapter title. If you're having trouble tracking down a known source, be sure to reach out to your librarian by email or chat. Did you find a really useful article? You might want to see how the conversation continues forwards in time. Figure out what other articles have cited it since it was published. Many databases will include a feature for cited by. Google Scholar also has this feature. Be sure to use it. It will give you a sense of what other scholarship is being done in this area. It is also helpful to know if one of the articles you're using has gotten a lot of citations since it was published. That indicates that the article has a higher impact. You should continue to think critically about what a high number of citations means. But there's a good chance that a lot of citations means that a lot of other researchers think highly of that piece of research. It is so important to recognize that scholarly literature is not done in a vacuum. Every piece of research somehow builds on what came before it. It's your job to figure out what the context is for any given piece of research. Knowing that context will help you become the expert in your field that you're striving to be.